Hi, this is the final video explaining and demonstrating mcp-use, a very simple to use MCP client library. This video is very unique. You will not find such a video anywhere where we are going to connect to a single client, an SSE based MCP server and an STDIO based SSE server. Okay, so there is no such example. So this has been done after experimenting with it. So I have already got the MCP server running. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. That is Docker compose up SSE server -d. So it's already running and it is listening to port 888. So to test it, curl localhost :8888/SSE. That is the SSE endpoint. See here, event endpoint and data messages. So this is how SSE transport works. So this is a remote MCP server. Now we will see how we can combine that into a single client. So here in this mcp-use library, in the config MCP servers, I'm defining a booking MCP server object and passing the URL to the MCP server. Next is the file system MCP server, which is a local server, and I'm allowing it to write to results folder. I have this results folder here. So this config object, we are passing it to this client and we are creating the MCP client. And so this is the mcp-use library, MCP client. Okay, so client has been configured. Now let's see what next. We are defining the LLM object here and then creating the agent and passing the LLM object, this LLM object and the client object which we created earlier. That is it. Just few lines, our client is ready. Now here what I'm prompting is a simple prompt to make it understandable. Book for Sri and save it as booking.md. So this will be the remote MCP server using the SSE transport, and for saving it uses the local MCP server called file system using STDIO transport. Okay, so this is the first demo where we are combining both. But in Agno MCP client, we can do something similar, but it's not that elegant. Okay, so we will run it. So here, sh run.sh is the Conda environment which allows Python and Node environment. Multi SSE STDIO demo, that is the code that we saw just now. If you look at the folder, booking.md, see booking confirmed for Sri, your reference number is so and so. So it accessed the remote MCP server to get the booking, and then it used the local MCP server to write files. This is an example of a multi-MCP server based client, but out of which few servers are SSE transport, few servers can be STDIO transport. So mcp-use has made this also very, very easy. Please give me your valuable comments. Thank you for your time. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.